Shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So it is Mother's Day week, 2022, and I wanted to tell you about two different sales that are going on that I thought you might really be interested in to either tell people what you want or to buy it for the maybe your mother or a woman in your life that you really want to shop for this Mother's Day. So I'm going to quickly run through these things. I think they're both really good sales and that you are going to be very excited about it. Okay, the first one is my own website. Okay, on thebeautyshaman.com, I'm having a 20% off sale, and the code that you use at checkout is shaman20. I will put that down below. It's SHAMAN 20, all one word, all lowercase, and that gives you 20% off. And I have a few other products that are discounted on the website, so you get 20% off that discount. So be sure to check it out. It's thebeautyshamanstore.com, and I will put all those links below, but I want to tell you what I'm encouraging you to look at. The first thing is, I would say if this is for you and you really want a great product, my top selling product on my site is Transdermal C serum blah, blah, from Truth Treatments. So this is 80% vitamin C. It is one of the highest volume of vitamin C's on the market. My very favorite product. I sell a ton of these. It retails for $200 or $199. So getting 20% off of that is fantastic. I also have a free shipping code on my website. So put both in the code section, click code, it'll take it in there. So not only do you get a great discount off a product plus free shipping, it's phenomenal. My other top selling Truth Treatments product is Transdermal C Balm. So this is a fantastic moisturizer if you have dry skin. So great. If you have very dry skin, there's another product called Omega-6 Healing Cream, which has omega-6 oils in it, but you have to have very dry skin, otherwise it's too much, but it is fantastic, very healing for your skin. The other product line I carry is Omega is Image Skincare. My top selling item in that is the Restoring Daily Defense Moisturizer. This has SPF 50. Phenomenal moisturizer for dry skin. This is specially formulated for mature women, for dry skin on mature skin. Absolutely fantastic. Image MD. This one, especially going into summer with the SPF 50, fantastic. This is for any woman who needs a sunblock with their moisturizer and has dry skin. Absolutely great. Easy gift. The other top selling thing I would say is my Restoring Youth Repair Cream by Image MD as well. This contains retinol and vitamin C in it. It's a less expensive vitamin C. It's about $84, but it's fantastic with both of those ingredients in it. It's a night cream. I sell a ton of this as well. All right, the other line that I carry, of course, is Jane Iredale. I'm trying to clean this off before I show it to you. We have new branding at Jane Iredale, which is great. This is called Pure Basics Eyeshadow. Now you get 6 eyeshadows in their eyeshadow palettes. This is fantastic. This is the one I'm wearing. I love warm tones. I'm a big warm tone fan. So this is absolutely beautiful. Same price. I believe I have my eyeshadows on sale right now. So you'll get 20% minus 20%, or plus 20%, I guess. Anyway, great deal. I also have some Jane Iredale lip glosses, which are great. This is called MOCHA Latte, my top selling lip gloss. Love. Okay, so moving on to City Beauty. City Beauty's having a 35% off sale. Follow that code down below in order to take advantage of this. I wanted to show you some of their lip glosses. This is actually a cream lipstick that's not a gloss. This is a beautiful shade though, just a very pretty pinky brownie, kind of everybody can wear type of a color. I love this color. This is called Blush Rose. I love this because it isn't drying, but it's long lasting. And I think that's a key component here about their lipsticks that are not gloss. Another color I would recommend from City Beauty is Crimson. This is a wonderful lipstick as well, quite a bit darker and a little bit of a shine to it. Lovely reddish color, bit more striking. I love this. Okay, lastly, the color I wanted to show you is for darker skin tones. This is called Dusty Rose. So you can see this is absolutely beautiful on a darker skin. If you like plums, it's great. It's called Dusty Rose. I think it's more of a mauve personally, but that is the color I want to show you. Isn't that beautiful? for darker skin tones, you know, probably 2 or 3 shades darker than mine. Absolutely gorgeous. They also have a clear, which stays on and doesn't bleed, which I really, really love. I use this a lot on camera talent because it stays on throughout the whole shoot, which is amazing. So love these products. You know, City Beauty is great. This is the little collection I wanted to show you, but it's 35% off. Do use the code down below. So those are the things I wanted to show you. I know that's very brief, but I just wanted to toss it out there. I also have gift certificates on my own website that are great if you don't know what to buy for someone. Just get them a gift certificate and they can use it on anything in my entire store, as well as a consultation. I charge $50 for a 30-minute consultation, which is so much fun. I love doing them. So you can use it for that, or you can get that for yourself as a gift. All right. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman. I hope this has been helpful and a great opportunity to get some great gifts for Mother's Day with a discount, which we all love at this point in our lives, right? Like anytime we can get one. All right. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.